everybody, welcome back to my channel Random Collection. Today I have another product to review. Actually not review, it's unboxing video. So I have ordered let's say charger. You can see it in here, and this is a charger from MOFIT power bank. Though the name of the seller is MOFIT power bank, but they are also selling the product like what do you call it, charger, cables and those things. So the order number is these. I also ordered it on 7/7, which was the event on Shopee. Actually I have bought it from online shop. So let's unbox it. I'll let you know about the price of this one at the end. This is the power bank, sorry, the adapter. Let me remove the plastic tag. Removed. You can see this is the adapter itself, MOFIT, and then this is the details about the power itself. I mean the wattage. It is 65 watt C to C, and as well it's having USB-A. The input is the input is around 110 and 220 volt. The output for C1 is around 5 volt 3 ampere, 12 volt 3 ampere, 15 volt 3 ampere as well. So for 20 volt is 3.25, even higher than that. It's of course power delivery PD. And then for C2 as well, it's having the same exact thing. Then for the USB-A, the maximum that it supports is, I think it's almost similar, 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2.5 ampere, and for 12 volt it's around 1.88 ampere. It looks this way. 65 watt gun, PD smart gun charger CPD65, and it's also having 18 months of warranty. I have already used this product before. The administrator of that one, or the customer service of them are is the best. They are very good people. Even if you're going to use it for months and after that it's going to have any kind of issue, if you talk to their admin, they will either replace this one for you or they will refund it. So mine was having some issue. I asked them to replace it for me. They replaced it for me. Then again I had no other choice other than, when the new one came as well, it was having some issue. Then when I told them that this is having this issue, they actually refunded me the entire money. But the product that you're going to send it back to them, you need to pay for the, let's say, postage. So you need to be bearing that expenses of the courier. Okay, I'm about to open it. So this is the adapter itself. This is the warranty part, 18 months of warranty, and the other details. Okay, nothing in the box. Very standard type of quality of plastic. Let's remove the plastic. So you see in here that it's having 3 ports, PD as well, PD, and then this one is USB-A. PD, USB-A, and then 65 watt MOFIT. I'm not sure whether it's visible to you guys or not, but the details aren't exactly like that. But I think, okay, let's check it out whether it's capable of delivering the exact same amount of let's say power or not. I'm going to plug it into the power outlet with the same cable of the 2T, and let's see how it goes. same cable, 2T, 100 watts. And here you can see. Okay, we are going to plug it into this outlet, and this is not yet on. We are going to use the same MacBook in order to let's test it out. Okay, so for that purpose, since I have no other device for the time being, we're going to use the same MacBook. Okay, it's running. 36, 45, 66. So it is saying 65 watt, but I think it's capable of delivering more than that. You can see that it's saying 66 watt PD and it's still running, meaning that this is capable of running the exact same amount of it delivers the same amount of the power that is steady, even more than that. It says on the package 65, but it's around 67 and 68. It is really good. The adapter itself is very good. I'll be also attaching a picture of the amount of the money that I've paid for this one using Shopee, so you guys can I'll also put the link in the description. You guys can go ahead and then purchase it for yourself. Anyways, thank you so much for your thanks for sticking with us, and then let's see you guys in the next video. Thank you.